Welcome back to Neuroverse, decoding the signals of our digital future today. Robots, the pinnacle of AI, walk among us with precise engineering. Humanoid robots interact seamlessly with technology, showcasing their potential. Staring into a robotic face, we see the future of AI. Efficient and tireless, robots transform industries with unparalleled productivity. Autonomous drones fly above, revolutionizing logistics and surveillance. Flows of data drive AI, enabling smarter and faster decisions. Data flows integrate seamlessly into advanced robotic systems. High-tech screens reveal endless streams of digital information. AI brains are crafted with intricate connections, mirroring human intelligence. Complex data networks branch out like trees in an AI ecosystem. An AI datasphere encapsulates profound digital insights and innovations. The matrix of data flows offers limitless avenues for AI advancement. In the AI brain's creation, complexity meets innovation at every node. Video cards power AI's visual capabilities, enhancing computational tasks. With precise assembly, video cards come to life in AI systems. Robots efficiently mount processors, bringing technology to functionality. Inside PCs, video cards seamlessly integrate into the digital environment. The heart of processing power, video cards manage massive data flows. Advanced data shields defend crucial information from cyber threats. Screens illuminate with brilliant displays of fluctuating data streams. Digital padlocks secure sensitive information, safeguarding our electronic world. Data streams collide, creating new pathways in AI and machine learning. Within digital server rooms, data flows dynamically and securely. Server rooms house the expansive infrastructure of today's digital networks. Every moment, video cards work tirelessly to manage heavy data loads. Data seamlessly flows through server rooms, maintaining global connectivity. Neuron-style data flows emulate the intricacies of human neural networks. Digital brain patterns emerge, mirroring human thought processes. Neural connections offer boundless potential for AI growth and innovation. Galaxies of neural connections form vast AI knowledge networks. AI evolves with data-style neural sequences adapting in real time. Across digital screens, AI showcases graphs and analytical insights. Our planet's digital infrastructure is visible across global AI screens. Stock exchanges become digitized interfaces with real-time AI analysis. On AI screens, graphs visualize data transformations and future trends. High-tech environments thrive with AI integration and smart technologies. Hands typing on high-tech keyboards drive the digital era forward. hands write on digital screens, translating thoughts to pixels. Robots write seamlessly on PCs, bridging the gap between human creativity. Blazing blue optical fibers transmit data at incredible speeds. Digital neural networks delve into deep learning and artificial cognition. Binary code tunnels create a matrix-style cyber landscape for AI processes. AI spheres pulsate at their core, abstracting vast realms of data. Microchips, pulsing with energy, form the backbone of AI's heart. Blockchain blocks enforce secure digital transactions in a distributed network. Information waves flow like a sea of interconnected data points. Digital synapses spark into action, simulating human brain activity. Holographic interfaces display complex calculations within futuristic environments. Virtual servers in the cloud host unlimited data capabilities worldwide. Close up on a robotic eye, unveiling the intricacies of computer vision. Robotic and human hands meet, symbolizing collaboration and future symbiosis. Automated factory arms streamline production with precision and speed. Autonomous delivery robots navigate smart cities efficiently and safely. Robotic fingers type at high speeds, processing data without pause. Robots recharge, preparing for the next phase of technological advancement. Swarming drones capture the pulse of a futuristic metropolis. Robotic prosthetics enhance human capabilities, merging technology with biology. Assistant robots interact with tablets, serving as smart home companions. Contemplative robots stand silhouetted against future horizons. NVIDIA GPUs lead the market with unmatched performance and graphics capabilities. Motherboards form electronic cities, complex networks of circuits and connections. Quantum computers redefine processing with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Inserting CPUs into sockets completes the sophisticated hardware setup. Navigating server aisles, we glimpse the heart of data infrastructure. Soldering microchips involves intricate skills and delicate precision. Silicon wafers play a crucial role in chip manufacturing processes. Liquid cooling systems regulate heat, maintaining optimal PC function. Precision in smartphone assembly showcases engineering feats in clean rooms. Hard disks spin with precision, ensuring efficient data storage. Perfectly managed cables keep data centers running smoothly and efficiently. 3D printing realizes complex objects, transforming creative visions into reality. VR headsets immerse users in digitally crafted universes and experiences. Laser cutting offers unmatched precision in industrial manufacturing processes. Eco-cities integrate technology and nature for sustainable future living. Cyberpunk cityscapes paint vibrant futures with neon lit possibilities. Smart homes represent the pinnacle of modern living and automation. Autonomous cars redefine transportation with self driving technology and electric power. Futuristic hospitals combine medtech with innovative designs for patient care. Augmented reality overlays enhance connections between people and environments. Solar farms capture the sun's energy for a greener tomorrow. Future schools combine holographic displays with accelerated digital learning. Hyperloop trains promise rapid transport with magnetic propulsion systems. Skyscrapers dominate city skylines, epitomizing human architectural achievement. Will robots replace us? Comment your thoughts below and subscribe to Neuroverse.